Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make something. I'm gonna make prata. So I have 3 ingredients only. I'm gonna put 2 cups of I use purpose flour. 2 cups. So I'm gonna make more prata. Prata. This is my prata. I think 2 cups. So this one, here. This 3 ingredients only. I put only all-purpose flour. This one all-purpose flour. I'm gonna put salt. So that's why. And then warm water. I'm gonna use warm water. So I'm gonna put these 3 ingredients only: flour and then salt. I put 1 teaspoon of salt. And then now I'm gonna put the warm water. Not enough. So guys, we're gonna start. So I'm gonna prepare first this mat. And then I'm gonna wear my gloves. Hold on. So now I'm gonna put a little bit of flour. I'm gonna put a little bit. So I think I prefer to put all the flour here. I think I got it. Shoot that. So here the flour. It's already double. So this is my food for 1 week. Yeah. I think I'm gonna cut my baby. Look like it's big. Anyway, this is my first time to make chapati. I watched on YouTube last night how to make the chapati. Let's see if my first recipe is good or not. Look like too big. I think I need to cut. Look like too big. Okay, this is the dough I made all for my chapati. So we're gonna start cooking now. So we're gonna start baking now. Okay, where's that? Ah, it's done already. Wow. So this one is important is this one is closed, not open, because if you cook this one can bubble. What is that? Like balloons. Yan, I have one. I have my one with chapati. Next. I put round first and then I'm gonna do like that, and then so now I started cooking chapati, waiting for, wow. I'm gonna start cooking my steak. So I prepared the broccoli, and then now I'm starting cooking the steak. The big. I'm gonna cut later this one. Half is. So this is my steak. I'm gonna cut now. Hi guys, ito yun, may pahabol akong i-unboxing na dumating ngayon lang. So, hulaan nyo. Kasi mahilig ako sa music. So, nag-order ako ng, ano ba itong tawag dito? Sleeping. Yung Bluetooth, this Dex speaker. So, ito yun, no. I'm gonna show you guys this one. So the instruction daw ay kailangan mong you put under the pillow so you can hear, and if you have sleeping next to you, you cannot disturb them. So this one, my favorite color is blue. So this one I ordered. Nice light. So, ito yung, ito lang yun, at this is the instruction. Kulit ko na. Ang hirap niyang kuhain, nasa loob kasi. So, ito, anong tawag dito? Ano ba yun? By 3 Pro, X3 Pro ba? This one, X3 Pro, this one. So yeah, we need to how to operate. So how to operate this, the 3, this one here on the side. So I think this one is, hold on. This side pin on. Uy. Connected na daw, connected. So we'll see. I don't want to on. And this one, oh, what? And this one, the power on. The panel. 1, 2, 3. Nice one. Testin nga natin. I'm gonna connect on my small karaoke speaker. Oops. Connect lang natin. Tingnan natin kung anong maganda. Kung maganda ba o hindi. Sige nga. Sige, hanap tayo ng kanta. Okay. So, I'm gonna press. Titingnan ko siya kung connected sa akin. Tingnan natin siya. Ano to? Huwag ka muna mag-ano kasi copyright yung aking. Connect muna natin siya. Let's see. Oh, here. T12X. Yeah, this one. X Pro. Uy, connected na daw siya. Tingnan natin. I-play nga natin kung gagana. Uy, connected na. Hirap naman ito. Ay, gumana siya, guys. So, yun lang guys. Maraming salamat sa mga nanonood ng aking vlog. Patayin ko na kasi i-upload ko ito eh. Mga copyright ako. So, ibabalik ko na siya. So, ay gagamitin ko mamaya. Maganda lang siya. Para lang siyang ano yun. Oh, ganda niya. So, ito na i-close ko na siya. So, kung gusto niyo pong umorder, hanap lang kayo. I-research nyo lang yung X3 Pro. Anong tawag yun? Buy 3? X3? 34. Okay. That's all. Thank you. Thank you for watching.